Welcome to a captivating journey into transformative realm of media influence. Today we delve deep into the changing tides of thought that swept through the media landscape, shaping our perceptions and beliefs about the power of mass communication. So buckle up as we traverse the compelling narrative that led to the emergence of the social responsibility model, a paradigm that endures to this day. As the tides of history ebbed and flowed, two significant events reshaped the discourse on media power. First, the world grappled with the haunting revelations of the Holocaust, prompting the quest of theories that could explain the silence that shrouded Hitler's reign of terror. Second was a revolutionary medium that emerged, poised to reshape not just the media landscape but also people's daily life, the advent of the television. So, amidst the growing adherence to the minimal effects paradigm, a countercurrent was brewing. The presumed effects of communication during World War II cast a spotlight on media's potential to sway public opinion. Historians and sociologists alike scrutinized the concerted propaganda efforts of both the Allied and Axis forces, seeking to comprehend the mechanisms that had driven societies in conflicting directions. The rise of Nazi Germany, where citizens seemingly embraced and later failed to object to Hitler's policy, was a focal point of investigation. This era witnessed the formation of the powerful media rediscovered paradigm, a more nuanced iteration of its predecessor. Building on earlier works by scholars like Lazarsfeld and Hovland, this paradigm acknowledged that immediate, direct, and uniform effects were complex to establish. Instead, it highlighted the notion of strong, long term, indirect, and personal effects. Intriguingly, the powerful media belief was not just confined to academia. Professionals in advertising, political campaigns, and the media industry held steadfast to the conviction that media had a potent influence. The aftermath of the World War II and the impact of propaganda during the conflict intensified this belief, even as scholars continued to debate its veracity. Questions loomed large. Why hadn't the Fourth Estate halted Hitler's ascent? These concerns spurred the formation of the Commission on Freedom of the Press in 1947. The Commission's report laid the foundation of the social responsibility model, shaping the modern thought on media governance. The model recognized the importance of media in a healthy political system, paralleling the Fourth Estate model. However, it introduced key distinctions. Guidelines governing media behavior were proposed, rooted in a sense of social responsibility. This model acknowledged that some government oversight might be necessary in extreme cases, but it emphasized self governance through a system of professional codes of ethics overseen by a self regulatory body. This shift towards the social responsibility model highlighted the global recognition that despite scientific debates, the belief in media's power persisted. This sentiment was reinforced by the introduction of television, a medium that promised to transform information dissemination, shaping public opinion and influence. So, as we reflect on this evolving landscape, it's clear that the journey from all powerful media paradigm to the social responsibility model was complex and multifaceted. The confluence of historical events, academic discourse, and technological advancements brought about a profound shift in how we perceive media's role in shaping societies. The legacy of this transformation endures, guiding media governance and our understanding of the intricate relationship between communication, power, and influence.